out. Parang ganun. But right now, parang hindi ka disappointed ka sa current you. Disappointed ka sa...
Hindi mo kailangan paliwanag yung sarili mo ay
Regret, failure, disappointment.
Parang nandun ka sa state ngayon ng you're questioning what's wrong. O baga, anong maling nangyari. Pero parang sinasabi dito sa present mo, itong
successor
cups,
to with
parang sinasabi dito na you still have to trust
The process.
parang the process. Kasi parang parang may hope na mangyayari. Etong the moon, it's a major arcana. Parang it's a good card, supposedly.
Okay, magandang
Pero,
future.
parang sinasabi dito,
Pinabayaan na talaga ako para
eventually, all the things na mga uncertainties and yung mga parang questions mo, what happened, what's wrong, parang gano'n. This will eventually, or in the future, you will still eventually clarify, para makikita mo yung clarity ng mga nangyari, ng mga, that
Yung
you're
mga
still
nangyari sa
seeking.
past.
Hindi, kung bakit, ano yung mga nangyari, ano yung mali,
Past
parang
na.
gano'n. Pero yung mga yon, it will come gradually. So, still, pay attention. Parang still have to, yung hope, kailangan mo pa rin i-continue yung hope na yon. Trust your instinct. And,
Nasisira kami by using mo. Medyo.
and at the same time, still,
Hindi ko kasi marinig, di ba binigay ko?
Inugot pa. 3.
parang yung sa mga bagong desisyon mo, eventually, don't be rush. Parang gano'n. Ewan ko,
Don't
sinasabi.
rush
Wag
things.
impulsive.
Oo, wag ka magmadali.
Yes. Don't dwell on the past. Learn and move forward.
Trust your
Allow yourself to feel, but don't let emotion cloud your perception. Trust your intuition. Clarity is coming even if it's still hidden for now.
Medyo delikado yung
Trust your
future